Okay guys, mount your camera portrait or landscape mode, then you walk in, frame yourself well, make sure that the person that will pour mineral for you in this cup is at the corner. All right, make sure the person is ready here waiting. So the next thing is just display all you want to display, showcase your cup, all right, so that people will see that there is nothing there. After showcasing the cup, the next thing you are going to be doing is to swap your hand on the empty cup. All right, look at what I am going to do now. Just swap your hand on the empty cup. Okay, good, this is it. Then the person that will pour the minerals will come. Then after pouring the minerals, you swap your hand again for the second time. Then after that, then you showcase the minerals. Then you can drink it, that is if you want. Then after that, you can do a thumbs up or anything. Then you walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial. Smash your like button if you love the video you just watched. All right, after that you click on CapCut as we get started. All right, so click on CapCut now. Click on CapCut, click on new project, import your video to workspace guys. So at this point we are going to be clicking on the video to locate volume. So click on the video now, then you go and look for volume. Okay, look at volume here, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good, then you go back. Now is the time to locate where you want the video to start from. All right, so before you throw the cup up, click on the video and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Then you go to the point where you swap your hands. Go to the place where you swap your hand, this place. Now we are going to be making a split here. This your hand should be on top of the glass. This part, make sure your hand is on top of the glass. Then you click it and make a split. Then you screw. All right, screw it. The person will come and pour the minerals into the cup. Then before your hand comes down, okay, you will click it here now, and then you will make another split. So click it and make a split here now. Delete this middle part, we don't need it again. So at this point, let's play it to see what we have got. All right, good. You can see now this is mineral magic effect. You have just magically created a mineral. All right, so now we remove the unwanted part as you do a thumbs up. All right, before you walk out completely from the scene, click here now and make a split. Delete this last part, we don't need it again. So at this point now, I'm sure this video is ready guys. All right, what will be remaining here now is to add your sounds. All right, and every other effect you felt you need in this video. After that, you now export this video to your gallery. If you don't know how to add them, you can DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add them. And after adding them, the next thing now is to export this video to a gallery. As you can see what we have created, it is good. You can do it at the comfort of your home. All right, so at this point, click on export. You allow it to export completely. As you can see, it's exporting. All right, now this video have installed in our gallery. Can now share it to your social media handles. All right, now tell us your opinion about this video you have just watched. What is your opinion? What is your take? If you have CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. All right, if you love what we are doing, you like this video, smash your like button. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials guys. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.